Alright, so this is at 64 miles per hour, and no shake, rattle, and roll. And as I roll up, there's 70, and actually 71, and there we go. No shaking all over the darn place like it was. So it works. Shake, rattle, and roll is gone. I love it. I've been trying to find that shake for so long. It turns out that it's out of round tires. And the out of round tires across 3 different brands, I might add. Okay? That's across Bridgestones, that's across the R283s, the YO183s, on the Yokohamas. 3 different brands of tires, and there we go. Just a little bit of road vibration to be expected, but it's not shaking him all over the darn place. I love it. There you go.